If you want to add adjustable shelves to a project, you can lay them all out by hand and then drill each hole, but that takes a long time and introduces lots of chances for mistakes. A much easier way is to use a shelf pin jig like this one from Kreg. With a jig, you can drill evenly spaced holes. They're nice and straight, and all is aligned. With this one, there's even a stop collar, so you know you won't drill too deep. Plus, you need 4 holes for every shelf, so with the jig, you can easily reposition it and just keep right on drilling. And when you're done, you know that you'll have holes that are aligned for shelves that will sit flat and won't wobble.